How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great weekend and enjoying yourself. I'm going to give you a quick update as to what I'm looking for in this next week moving forward. As you can see, Dixie has put in its bottom around 100 and we're already at 104. We were tickling 104.50, and what we are expecting from this is actually continuation to the upside, exactly as we had charted. Pretty soon, once we get above 106.40, that's when things get real spicy because I'm looking for 107, 114. How is the government going to prevent this from just running on up? We will see how that occurs. But yeah, as Dixie goes up, the inverse relationship with crypto and tech stocks is to the downside, and that's what we're going to be looking to see if that happens. Keep in mind, yesterday Tesla just closed about 20% up due to its profitability and future expectations. So that inverse relationship has not really been playing out recently. So keep that in mind moving forward. Um, I'm going to go right to it just because I'm going to make this video short and sweet. Guys, if you are interested in these videos in the future, I have slowed them down, but if you actually do care, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification, leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know how I'm doing so I can have the motivation to make these videos again as the frequency as I did before. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. And now on the weekly, you can see we are in this uptrend. We had a little bit of a pullback, but that pullback was very short and shallow onto support, and we've already started going right back into our previous resistance. Continuation from here and taking out the all-time high is possible and likely. We have 2 more days on this week left. If we can close above last week, that would be great. If we get a little bit of hesitation and just don't close below this week's body, next week I'm looking for the break above. A lot of people are looking for downside into November, including myself. We might get like a pop up and then downside, but right now you can see this is a very nice rounding bottom accumulation, looking for upside continuation. It's like on a V shape as well. So yeah, I mean, we're here at around 68. As long as we don't go under 65 and have a daily close under 65, the path of least resistance right now is around 75K. You're basically $10,000 away, and it's very, very, very close. So to take that liquidity and then roll over would be more logical than to have people just start going to the downside now before that top is actually tapped. So just keep that in mind for your trading plan future. We are currently on a weekly. This is my new tool that I've been using. If you see on a weekly, we were up. Oh goodness. Well, I already showed you this, so who cares? So this is basically what we were looking at for multiple weeks, was this consolidation around 70K. We were looking for resistance because this was the bottom on the weekly, and then this is the top on the weekly, and on this pole we have this consolidation where 69K once again is the golden pocket, 70K is the top. Between 69 and 70K, we're finding our resistance, ironically, and if we get a push back to 58, I would consider that a buying opportunity. If we get a push to 81, I would consider that a take profit opportunity. And that's basically all we're doing. You have these three levels. I would not mess around with 70K unless above 70K you're taking a long to get to the 81, and under 70K you're taking short to take profit at the support of around 60K. Aside from that, this area around this golden pocket is a place where you can take a long and short with the stop loss outside of that range, that local range, and have a winning trade, because we don't know where we're going, but obviously if you were to look at the long term, the path of least resistance is up. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to turn all this off. All that is stuff that I go over on a regular basis with members, so we are always mentally on the correct path as opposed to just thinking up, down, up, down, up, down. We know the trend and we're following the trend. And the trend is up right now. So that's that on Bitcoin. Now, just quickly watch when I go to ETH the difference. All right. Bitcoin is like above this level and consolidating on the tops. ETH is below the support and consolidating the bottoms. I don't know why people are just pooping on ETH this hard, but that is what's happening. And yeah, I actually am short on ETH and I am actually looking to take a long. I'm trying to find an area of support, and I guess we could do that together, knowing that this was the previous area we consolidated in. This alert that I have here at 2560 is where I expect the top of that border block, and we're actually about to well, we already are under it, and we are about to close a weekly bearish engulfing underneath that level. If that happens, then I'm looking for continuation next week into these lower levels and then possibly, I mean, even 2200 area. And that's what I'll be looking to take along for this short that I already have, depending on how this weekly closes. If weekly closes above my level of alert, that resistance level, then I will just close my short and I'll just flip long and ride it back up because Bitcoin is already telling you, Bitcoin's like all the way over here somewhere compared to ETH. Bitcoin, if ETH and Bitcoin were doing similar things, ETH's price should be around 3,600. We're about like $1,000 under where we should be. So that's a big opportunity catch-up trade, and hence why I'm on the ETH trade. I am short, and I'm short basically near the bottom. So that already makes me extremely uncomfortable. I would like to have the short from up here and a long from down here, and that's kind of why I'm being very, very careful to scoop the long taking it from here and ETH continuing it lower would be, detrimentally bad. Like it will basically destroy my, basically my trade. But the situation is I have a short here and I'm slowly laddering into a long. Only if we cross above this level, I will just instantly mark it to straddle my long and short. So that way I can be at least in a $100 to $200 range. And then once the range breaks with an open and close candle, I can just let the other side go and continue in the winning trend. Right now, the trend is down, right? Bitcoin's trend was up. ETH actually broke the uptrend here. This is a break of structure. You've ever actually retested the break of structure and you've rejected. This is the third freaking rejection. So I don't want to get too cocky in trying to long this before the price action actually tells me, yo, we have shifted the downside again and we're shifting it to the upside, which is very possible over here. We do see the downtrend end and now we're seeing an uptrend try to establish itself. But I would like us to get above the 2800 level for me and an open and close above 2800 for me to be like, all right, yes, upside is true. So that's basically what I'm waiting for, guys. Today it does look like we got a nice upside potential because on the daily, you can see we just flushed the downside last night and it was basically a higher low than the previous low. So the potential of us actually rising up to take out late shorts is there. It's just how high do we get we need to see. If it's like a rollover dead cat bounce and we only get up to 26.25, that doesn't do us any good, and rolling over from there is just like eh. So right now, wait and see is the approach. Today is Friday, weekly close. If you have any big moves you're expecting today, I would be patient. Yesterday, the data we got was very good. I would expect upside in markets today into close. Today's also payday, guys, so retail will have money to buy the dip, and that should help markets get to some higher levels. And then possible rejection can come. Like I said, like we could do a dead cat bounce into 26.25 and then roll on over, like $100 pop and then roll on over. So that is what I am looking for today, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I am looking for that long scoop into New York Open today. If you guys have any questions, like I said, leave it in the comment section below. Feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. And I hope you guys had a good one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you. Have a great day.